If you want to set up an event in Calendar on a Realme Note 7T, then first of all we need to go to the app drawer and we need to open the Calendar app. And in this case we actually have two apps that are pretty much identical with small differences. The first one over here is made by Google and the other one is made by Realme. So I'm gonna start with the Google one. So if you go over here, we can allow notifications, of course, to be notified about our events, and let's grant the access to Calendar. And once you open it, you should be able to press this plus button over here in the bottom right corner, and then we can choose event. And now we can fill everything in, so we can set up the title, we can change the date and time, or we can set the event to last a whole day if you want to. You can tap on the time or date in order to change it. Here we also have the time zone, whether the event should be repeatable or not. And we can also add people, add video conferencing, add a location. We can manage notifications, so we can be notified about the event sometime before it happens, of course. There is also the color picker. We can add description and also include attachments from Google Drive. And once you set up everything, you just have to press save in the top right corner and your event should be created. Now, let's check out the other app. So over here we need to press agree and continue. Let's grant the permissions. And as you can see over here in the bottom right corner, we also have this plus button, so we can go ahead and use it. And the rest is pretty much the same, more or less, of course. So you can set up the title, the date and time. We can choose the time zone, whether the event should repeat or not, and so on and so forth. And once you are ready with everything, you should be able to press done over here in the top right corner, and your event should be created. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.